What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to keep your computer from going to sleep without downloading any software. So you're going to need either YouTube or some live streaming platform for this. Watching a YouTube video may not be enough. Sometimes computers do go to sleep after enough time watching a video, I think. Sometimes they don't, but it's generally safer to watch a live stream. So what I recommend is going on YouTube and searching up Lo-Fi Live. And then you have, you know, this one's a popular one, 12K watching, and then just choose one of these. And maybe if it's like a work one, don't choose the one with the dude smoking a blunt. But, you know, do you want to keep your work computer from going to sleep? I'm going to mute this. And yeah, you can see there's some movement on the screen. So you have to make sure this stream stays open on at least one of your monitors. It can be your laptop monitor, a monitor you have plugged in. It has to stay open because then your computer thinks you're watching this, and it's if it thinks you're watching this, it's never going to put your computer to sleep. But unfortunately, Teams does have like some detection if you haven't used your mouse in a while or any keystrokes or anything. It's still going to put you as away even if your computer's on, even if you use some software like from Microsoft Power Toys, like never go to sleep mode, it's still gonna set you as away after some time. Only if you have like maybe you open up a Word document and you press W continuously in it, you put like something on your keyboard or something with your mouse to move it in circles. I'm not sure exactly, but there are probably ways around that. But this is just to make sure your computer doesn't go to sleep. And it won't, because again, it thinks you're watching this, even though there's nothing really happening on this. This is like a live stream with some movement on the screen. And that's all it takes. So I think that's enough rambling, guys. Drop any questions you got in the comments. Drop a like if you found this video helpful. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.